In this video, we are going to learn that how we can find authors and their profiles on the Scopus database. So first step will start from register yourself on the Scopus database through your organization's email. Once you will register yourself on the Scopus database, this particular window will be appeared in front of you, where you can see that we have few options: documents, authors, research, discovery, and the organization. But for now, we have to search the author, so I will click on the options authors. So once I will click, you will see that there are slightly changes in the window. Now you can see that we have few more options: author's name, ORCID number, and other keywords. But with their name, we are going to search the authors. So the person you are going to search, or the author you are going to search, you must know his or her full name. Let's say I'm going to search the person. Now what I did, I put her last name in the first window and her first name in the second window. So once you will click on the search bar, you will see the output list has been appeared, where we can find two different profiles with the same name. Now this become a little confusing point, because we exactly don't know which one we have to select. If you are in the same situation, let's say you have the result sheet where you are finding different authors with the same name. So if you are in that particular condition, what you can do, go back to the previous window, and here is an option of add affiliation. Just insert the author's organization and again try to search. So once I will click on the option of search, now you will see that we are reaching out exactly the authors we want. So she's the author over here. Now I have to approach her profile. So I will click on her name. Now you can see that it's already showing that once you will click, what you will get. We have to see the author's profile. So once I will click on the authors, now you can see that we can get maximum information about the authors, where we can see the citations, documents, index, and other details if you need about the authors. Here you can see, you can find the documents detail, you can find the those documents who have cited this particular author, you can find the other co-authors list, and you can find the authors topics. If you go back to the previous window, and you will see that, let's say we have two different options. So if you are absolutely okay that both profile are the same and you are finding no difference between both of the files, what you can do, you can just click on all and you can request for merge authors. This is another option. And second option, you can save these authors to your saving list. So what you can do, you can just click on save to the author list. Now what I can do, I am giving a new name, let's say sustainability. Either you can create a new author list or you can save to the existing one. You can see we already have the existing one, so you can save it over here. But for now I am creating a new author list, so I will click on save list. Here you can see, whenever you will come back and you want to see the updates on these authors profile, so what you will do, you will click on your profile and here you can see the option save list. Just click on save list, click on authors. So once you will click authors, you will have your saving list. So I will click on sustainability. Now once I will click on the saving list, we will be on a same page which we were going to search, or you can say we were on the same page of those particular authors. So once you will click on all, you might see the other updates like their citations overview and other documents.